Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable suggested actions in messages on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up text messages. In the messages list, tap on the profile icon in the search bar. Then from the pop-up, tap on messages settings. Next, we go down and tap on Suggestions. Then tap on Suggested Actions. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once this is turned on, then when you receive a notifications, depending on what type of message you are receiving, the phone can suggest you to create a new event, attach recent photos, or start a video call. So if someone say call me, so that is turned on at the moment. So let's take an example. So what happens if I say I receive a message, say call me. Let's see if this will suggest it or not. So here say no, I can't, I'm home. So let's try it again. So here I'm going to say video call me. So I'm going to say video call me. So it does not work yet. So depending on what kind of message that you receive. So I'm going to try another one. So let's see if it brings up the calendar, book appointment. So just 1 second here. I'm just going to send myself a text. So I'm saying book appointment on the 24th of April 2023. And so just touch to and hold to react. And it does not suggest a calendar event or video call, but it should. But depending on what type of message, it will try to determine to whether suggest an action for you to carry out or not. So if I go in here, you can see in suggestions, I have turned on suggested actions, but it has not created an event for me yet. And that's it. That's just how you can switch it on or off on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.